The year is the bottom of the psyche. It's the bottom layer. It's also considered to be past life knowledge you're bringing into this life. Now, what's interesting about 21-3 is a couple things. Number one, it's associated with people who have to grow up kind of quickly. They're not really able to enjoy their childhood, which that plays a role, which we're going to get into in a minute, why he was so harsh. Number two is called the eternal student. Now, I found some interesting stuff about Greg. I did a quick back check on this guy. And apparently, he said from an early age, education was a top priority. He did so much school that he actually ended up going to Harvard and getting a law degree. So you can see that very clearly. The 21-3 is very playing a major role. And in his quotes, he talked about how he wanted to do it to make his parents proud. This is a very, very typical 3 thing. Number 3 sticks very close to their parents. Because why? 1 is the father, 2 is the mother, and 3 is the child.